In this segment, I am going to show you how to combine some vintage Groove 2 connectors to create a beautiful necklace. For this necklace, I have a flower pendant along with multiple connectors and a simple silver strand. So what I've done with this necklace is I'm going to just use the jump rings to combine the connectors. And while this jump ring is open, I will not only add it to the connector, but I will add the pendant at the same time. Just saves a step. You can add them separately if you want, but this just makes it faster. So I have that all ready to go. And then I have a silver strand or chain, and I've actually broken it apart by finding the center of the necklace strand. And then I'm going to add this to each piece, each side of the piece. So I'm going to open the jump rings and add them to my connectors that I've already started. And then you'll close that and you'll do the same thing to the other side. So this is just a very simple necklace that you can create by combining those pieces. In addition to that, you can also use these same connectors to create a bracelet because it's the perfect length. So with this, I have added the charms from a design combo to the ends of this strand that this connector that I've been using. That just gives you a different look, but it's a really simple charm bracelet that you can create.